Assalamualaikum dear students, hope so you all are fine. Take out your folder books, write here your name, class, section and school name. Take out your English folder books, the book is Holidays book, and open the page number 17. First of all, you have to write here the date in the date section, and now move on the topic. The topic is use of a, or, and, an. Yes, a is used before a noun that start with a consonant sound. For example, s, t, v. An is used before a noun that start with a vowel sound. Yes, look at the picture. Here is a picture as cat. Yes, cat start from a consonants, so that's why we put a before cat word. Next picture is bottle. Bottle start from b. B is also consonants, so that's why we put a before bottle word. The next picture we have table. Table start from t. T is also consonant, so that's why we put a before table. Yes. Next series is an. The next picture is elephant. Elephant start from a. A is vowels, so that's why we put an before elephant word. The next picture is onion. Onion start from o. O is a vowel sound, so that's why we put an before onion word. The next picture is ink pot. Ink pot spelling start from e, so that's why we put an before ink pot. Yes, thank you student.